Hello, friends and dear colleagues. Today I am going to share with you an important technique of repertorization, the elimination technique, through a practical case example. This technique has been successfully used by many older homeopaths, especially like Dr. Bhanu Desai, Dr. Fatak, which is evident through their cases. This is a case of a 50-year-old lady who works as a store manager in Belgium and is diagnosed with respiratory tract infection. The owner of the store is known to me and an ardent supporter of homeopathy. Fearing that this could be a corona infection, he asked me to take up this case urgently. She had fever for past few days. There is no fever currently. At present, there is dry cough that is worse on any movement and in standing position. Warm drinks soothe her, and she says, when I sleep or lie down, I don't cough at all. Since the development of her illness, her thirst and appetite have reduced, and the mouth also feels dry. So, when we repertorize her symptoms, we see 10 remedies covering all the symptoms, but 8 of them are contradicted. So, we are left with differentiating only 2 remedies. This is the advantage of using polarity analysis, that it eliminates the remedies based on contradiction. What is a contradiction? The grades of the rubrics below the blue line are in support of the remedies, and the grades of the rubrics below the red line are in opposition. So, when the grade below the red line is higher than the grades below the blue line, then the remedy is contradicted, or you can say eliminated. For example, in this particular case, the patient's symptom is worse standing, where Nux vomica has 1 mark, but the polar symptom, better standing, has 3 marks. That means Nux vomica is more known for better standing than worse standing. Similarly, we see thirst absent, Nux vomica is 2 marks, whereas thirsty is 3 marks. Hence, Nux vomica is eliminated because of the contradiction. Bonninghausen was very meticulous homeopath. He graded the remedies with utmost diligence and thus was Hahnemann's favorite pupil. He tried to match the patient's set of symptoms with the genius of remedy. The genius of remedy means the ones that have been repeatedly verified in practice, and he marked them with grades 3, 4 and 5 as seen in the slide above. So if the grades of the symptoms below red line for a remedy are between 3 to 5 and the corresponding grades of patient's symptoms, that is below the blue line, are 1 and 2, then the remedy is contraindicated. If you do a normal repertorization, Nux vomica scores highest with 25 marks. But because of the contradiction, it is ruled out and falls in grey zone. Thus, the choice lies between manganum and thuja. The polarity difference of manganum is much higher than that of thuja, and more importantly, the peculiar modality of our patient is no cough on lying down or when she is sleeping. This particular symptom is a keynote of manganum. Nash Therapeutics gives only one symptom, cough better lying down, for this particular remedy. She receives manganum aceticum 200 2 times a day for 1 day. She is 70% better within 24 hours, and on the second day she is free from symptoms. After 1 month, she wants to take treatment for her chronic ailments. This is the beauty if you treat acute ailments quickly with homeopathy. The level of the trust of patients in us and homeopathy becomes strong. In my next talk, I will share about forming the totality of the disease based on Organon 6th edition, and you will discover the simplicity of our science. Those who missed the talk on polarity difference can watch it in my earlier post. Thank you for your time and attention. Stay home, stay safe.